Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We got a vertical piston cylinder system that contains water that is being heated. The piston has a mass of 41 kilograms and a cross-sectional area of 151 centimeters squared. We want the temperature at which water boils. The atmospheric pressure is 101 kPa. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So the blue rectangle is the piston, and the arrows is the force. The larger arrow is the direction that it's going down. Okay. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. We're trying to find the temperature. So it might be Tsat, it might not be. We will find out. I just put it there as a placeholder. Step 3, find the temperature. We need to know the pressure to find the temperature, and then we're going to go to the pressure table. So what's given is they give us the atmospheric pressure, mass, and area. So step 4, find the pressure formula. So the pressure is equal to the atmospheric pressure plus mass multiplied by gravity divided by the area. Step 5, find the pressure, plug and play. So we also have to convert our area from centimeter squared to meter squared. Make sure you have your conversion factor. 1 kPa divided by 1000 kilograms per meter per second squared. This will give you 127.636 kPa. So step 6. Now we can go back and find the temperature. We go to the pressure table. So 127 is in between 125 and 150 kPa. So that means we need to linear interpolate. Step 7, linear interpolate for the pressure and temperature. So on our left hand side, it is the pressure, and the right hand side is the temperature, which is what we're trying to find. So the temperature at 127.636 kPa is 106.53 degrees Celsius. So that is the answer for this question. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.